I think I'll prefer.
Nope.
它豆腐蛮软。
它的鱼有些软，好吃。
It's nice.
切到容易，还要走的，全部是用顶人，你从 MRT。
Nice.
我那边有下来当场的耶。
接下来会就是全部靠自己哦，insurance。
I have no idea.
我要问他，
Okay, that's a long queue. Let's hope we don't have to queue.
听他说嘛。This one is if you have to what you can follow this one. This is
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome.
现在你们看到了，把给我拍开先。
很热，很热， 哦，
Not bad.
来一份石锅滑豆腐，谢谢。
谢谢。
这样来